Think it's time to replace your old roof? And not sure where to start? Relax, we're here to help. With step-by-step guidance to help you navigate the process at every turn. Use our Roofing 101 guide to brush up on the basics, from knowing all the parts of a roofing system to what goes into an estimate, and tips for choosing the right contractor. When it comes to color, put yourself in the driver's seat, literally. Drive around and do some roof gawking. Notice the shingle styles and colors that catch your eye. Then explore color combos and style boards in our online gallery. From selecting the right shingle to comparing estimates and preparing for installation. It's easy to roof smarter when you know what to expect. Get step-by-step guidance from Owens Corning and expert help from Square One at roofsmarter.com.